I am so upset with you right now, where you think you can do whatever you want to do when you have two open DWIs. And I told you there was absolutely no tolerance. And here you go, just, I'm going to do whatever I want. Don't work like that, Mr. LaBomba. If you have things that you need to do, you need to ask for permission first. We don't know where you are. We don't know what you're doing. You just take off and do what you want to do. And it's been like this since the beginning. So I guess we have not gotten your attention enough.
2DW is still out here treating the rules like they're optional, and the judge's frustration is written all over the courtroom. Honestly, who can blame him? At some point, repeated warnings stop being wake-up calls and start turning into nothing more than white noise.
I sent an email to my probation officer to ask.
You don't have a probation officer. You have bond conditions that you are supposed to live up to. Not.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
You know well and good what you can and cannot do. You have two open DWIs, and I don't want you out at night, and you are still doing whatever you want to do.
I'm not.
It goes with you. No,
I'm not.
You are.
Put your back.
Again, I'm not. I asked for permission. I'm sorry. I swear to
They
God,
don't
I'm not.
have authority to give you permission to do anything.
I didn't know.
Then you call your lawyer, you come up here, but you don't do things after the fact. You violate and then ask for
I asked for permission before I went to the meeting. I did. I swear to God, I did. And she didn't respond to me till after the meeting. And I told her if I know,
You
I
were
would.
talking to the wrong person, Mr.
I
Labumba.
didn't know.
You knew that this was strict compliance with two open DWIs.
I'm sorry, Judge.
What's with you?
This one.
Oh my God. And
Mr. Butte will talk. Don't go far. How do we reach the person who does whatever they want to do? You know, therein lies the question. You know, you got your first DWI. We told you, look, this is how you act. This is what you do. Going so much as to tell you that, you know, every day someone dies from a DWI in our great county. Every flipping day. Let you out. Just no, pick up another DWI. Now we have to micromanage your life, right? Because you scare me a lot more. All I'm asking you to do is I don't want you to consume alcohol. I don't want you to drive, and I don't want you to go out in the middle of the night. I'll give you these conditions for a reason, not for shites and giggles. You know what I mean?
yes.
And now, so how do we go forward?
I can promise you I was not gonna go to the meeting if I had gotten a response back before the meeting.
You've already promised me 2 times before.
This one when I got the email back the day after I'd already gone, I told her if she had emailed me back before the meeting, I was not gonna go because I'm not playing around
I mean,
with this.
but did you email the day before your meeting?
I did. Yeah, I did.
That is about as it just, these people are busy and you work and you're sending email to county employees. Do you really think someone is going to email you within a couple hours to the next day to respond to you? Do you really think that if you were to reach out to anyone here, they're going to respond to you in a timely fashion? You have to consider how many thousands upon thousands of emails people here get a day. Victoria, how many emails do you get a day?
At least 100. No joke.
You're emailing pretrial services where they have about 2,000 to 4,000 people that they manage. Well, I mean, probably again, 2.
This is a textbook example of courtroom manipulation, sending an email waiting for no reply, and then pretending it counts as permission. The judge caught on quickly and shut it down. But it raises a question. Was this an innocent miscommunication or a calculated move to bend the rules?
On a daily basis, where there are hundreds upon hundreds. So for you to think that they're actually respond to you, I don't believe you. I think that what you did was that, you know what, I'm going to send an email just so that I CYA and I'm going to go do what I want to do. That's basically what I think.
No, I don't. I'm not messing. I'm not playing with this. I am not playing around with this. I'm taking it very serious, sir. Very serious. I'm very.
There is no act and ask for forgiveness later. We don't subscribe by that theory. We don't. There's no acting like a little child begging for forgiveness later. Okay, Dad, I'm sorry. I won't. That's what my child does. My child will do stuff. Come on, bud. Don't do it. Dad, I did it again. Oh, come on. I told you. When people do that to me, your sorry goes in this year and it goes that out that year because I know you will continue to act the way you want to act. I don't know, Will. I'm just.
He showed me proof of the meeting. He was trying to get another job so he could work from home because he can't drive anymore. He was 48 minutes late. And in the email, I guess he thought he would get an email response within 24 hours or so. He emailed that morning. The meeting wasn't until late that night, the next day. So when I spoke with him,
I understand that it's not the most egregious error. I understand that. I get it. But a condition is a condition. And the problem is that if we let you go, what does that tell you?
I know how serious this is. I know. That's why I tried to contact.
The last thing that I want to do is be an enabler. The last thing I want to do is act in a way where it tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing without consequence. Because one of the biggest things that I like to teach here, because, in a way I think of myself.
This isn't just legal discipline. It's life coaching from the bench. The judge breaks it down, reminding the defendant that most people end up in court because they don't think about the consequences of their actions. The real question is whether this kind of tough love from the judge actually helps someone change course, or if it falls on deaf ears.
Like a father to everyone, because I like to teach, right? And I want everybody, no matter who they are, no matter what color they are, no matter what they're doing in their life, I want them to leave better. And I want to impart that you have to always think of consequence. Because 90% of the people that come here have no self-control and react without thinking of consequence. And it's a shame because if you did, we would have such a harmonious life. I mean, we wouldn't have the death and destruction we have on our roads. We wouldn't have the killing that happens here on a daily basis. What does he have on his ankle now?
I guess he
You have a scram and a GPS monitor?
Yes, Judge. Like I said, Judge, I speak with him often. He has been taking this really seriously. He calls and asks questions all the time. He just didn't call me and ask me about this one. He thought someone else was taking care of that and he just made a bad mistake.
Don't do it again. If you need help, I'm willing to help you, Mr. Lagumba. I routinely give people here more time if they need it. I really do. And all I want you to do is think. That's all I want. And it's okay. There's nothing wrong. We all make mistakes. We all do things that we regret. Crap, my mouth gets me into so much trouble you cannot even believe. I will continue your supervision. Just please don't. Okay? If you ever need anything else, just come back. Let us know. We can help you. If you need more time for work or whatever, don't ask for forgiveness after the fact. Just come back here first. Contrary to popular belief, we're not that bad, really. All we want is our public to be safe, and if I know that I can count on you to help me with my public, then I'm more inclined to go with you on what you need. All right? Please don't again. All right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Summary complete on that one?
On Lagumba? Let me check.
All right, Mr. Vital, you're charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you a 9-month deferred. Do you know what this is? What is this? What is a deferred?
Like, put on like a probation.
You have to understand that you give up nearly every right known to man by entering into this agreement. And if you fail to live up to your side of the agreement, we will issue a warrant for your arrest, put you in custody, and you're looking at up to 180 days. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Not only that, you need to also understand this is your second racing case now. It's just a matter of time that you pick up another one, do something dangerous. They may very well seize and take that car from you permanently. I can't tell you how many cars I've had in here where they've taken it, a $50,000 car, seized, gone forever. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with us until you complete it or unless it gets revoked. To be able to successfully complete this thing, you must do thinking for a change, a driver safety course, no drugs, alcohol, random urinalysis, 10 hours of community service. Mr. Vital, how old are you, sir? What do you do for a living?
Teach tennis.
You
Tennis.
teach tennis. Where do you teach tennis at?
And also at Audi International.
Okay. What kind of money do you make a month?
Obviously, like I work outside, so like rain, it's too cold, stuff like that.
And who do you live with?
Me and my dad. I live with my dad because he's older.
Okay. Okay. You can reduce it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have a Texas driver license? Do you have liability insurance? Okay. All right. You're going to maintain your Texas driver license and liability insurance while you're on this probation and prove it so that we know that you do have it. Mr. Vital, we like to reward people, so I'll make you a deal. If you do well, you do everything you're supposed to, and most importantly, you're nice to everybody, I'll take you off in half the time so you can be done with this thing in 4.5 months if you really kick butt, do well, and most of all, be nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't. If you want to race, there's places in Houston that you can go to. 59, 610, the tollway, that's not the right place. God forbid you do some irreparable damage, like you run someone over, you kill someone. You know what I mean? All right. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will not find you guilty. I'll withhold it for 9 months. Just make us proud, man. All right. Good luck.
Judge, thank you.
Thanks, man. It's just like you were on bond for a case, and now you've picked up a new case. You've now picked up an unlawful carrying of a weapon. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 6th, 2024, the officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's motor vehicle at 12:11 a.m. after observing it disregard a red light and traveling without headlights or taillights on, as well as discovering the vehicle had expired license plates. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer observed a small plastic baggie containing 0.5 grams of marijuana in plain view of the dashboard of the motor vehicle and within reach of the defendant. The defendant advised he had a weapon under his driver's seat, and a search allowed the officer to recover an unholstered black Glock with a pistol magazine and an unfired round in the chamber.
What is the one thing that I asked you not to do, Mr. Jones?
No file.
And now you've picked up a new case. Sorry, dude. That's it. We will notify your lawyer now. We'll have him come and we'll have you speak to you. Okay? It goes with you. All right.
Judge, I've emailed Connor, who's attached to.
Okay, just don't send him down to Stephen. Let's wait for Connor to get here so we can talk.
Have a seat.
Okay, I am.
Sit back.
I'm interested.
I know, that's why I'm telling you.
We gotta be more gentle, but please. Good morning, Judge Fleischer.
Good morning, Mr. Addison. How are you?
Not too good.
What's going on with you?
I've been assaulted by officers in Harris County Jail. They broke my ribs. They then broke my leg. For, I think 2 weeks they've been jumping on me, beating on me, not the inmates, the officers. They ain't supposed to assault us like that. I wrote a grievance to Internal Affairs, I think. No, I wrote a grievance on it. Yeah, because you're allowed to write grievances when they get out of order. I haven't heard from my grievances yet.
Well, the reason I brought you out is that your lawyer is asking for me to give you a PR bond.
Thank you, Jesus.
Well, I haven't given you one.
I know, but we're gonna do the right. I hope you do the right thing. I'll be all right.
The problem is you never come back. You know you don't come back. We give you a bond every time you pick up a new case. We give you a PR bond, and every time we give you a PR bond, you never, ever come back.
I know why, because they're misdemeanors. They're nothing.
They are.
What do you mean?
They are something.
No, they're small. They ain't
It
felonies.
doesn't have to be 10 years in prison that you're facing for it to mean something.
Well, what's your point, sir, Your Honor?
How can I give you a PR bond if you don't come back?
What makes you think I'm gonna come back now and they beat me up real bad? I'm looking at a major lawsuit. Them people ain't nobody beat me up. They would kill me in there.
But that's besides the point.
Well, why wouldn't I come back again?
Well, I don't know. You tell me. You answer the question. I'm asking you.
I got family out there, sir. I got children out there, sir.
Mr. Addison, just this year alone, you've picked up a trespass, false report, interference, trespass, theft, felony harassment, and now you have a theft and a trespass again.
What happened to the felony harassment? What happened with it?
So, I don't know. It was an attempted harassment of a public servant, but that doesn't matter.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Still a felon.
No, I don't care if it's a felony. Anybody know felony about doing the right thing?
The thing is
What?
that you need to stop talking to the judge and me this way.
No,
This
excuse me,
man,
ma'am.
this
You got away with
man, this
these-
man is about to
Your Honor,
give you,
Your Honor.
either give you a PR
Well, whatever.
bond or not.
I want whatever.
All right.
I ain't supposed to say nothing to the judge.
Why don't you come back?
I will. I ain't got no choice. I'm gonna be locked up for a long, long time, sir.
Every bond I have you here, they're all at 5,003 because you never come back. 1, 2, I mean, even from last year, they're all at like 2,502, 5,000.
Your Honor, excuse me. I got dementia. I have a bipolar schizophrenia. And that's why I don't come back. I'm bipolar, sir. I have dementia. That's why I don't come back. I don't remember court dates.
Here's the other thing,
Uh-huh.
Mr. Addison. I don't want to let you out to the street. If I were to let you out, I want you to go somewhere, a family member's house, mother, father, anyone. But I don't want to let you out on the street because that's setting you up to fail. And I'm not going to do that.
Well, I'm going to a program then. That was the purpose of trying to put me on probation, right? So I'm going to some kind of program. I'm going to a program.
I don't.
Yeah. No, I have a drinking problem, sir.
Who do you have here that's willing to help you?
William Chapman.
Family member.
William Chapman.
Who do you have?
William Chapman.
Who is that?
William. My brother.
Will he take you in?
Yes.
If Lori reaches out to him, will Lori say that he'll take you in?
Yes.
You have a number for him?
If you have someone that's willing to take you in,
I will, excuse me, Your Honor. I apologize. Yeah, I mean,
Just yes or no, do you have a number?
Yes, we can get up the, yes, he has a number. I don't remember, man.
Okay.
I'm bipolar schizophrenic. I had dementia. Certain things I don't even remember.
So that's gonna be a bad situation.
No, it ain't. No, it's not. You need to call him Chapman. He worked for, he's an ambulance driver. Okay, he's the best character model and a young man.
if you have someone that's willing to take you in, then
Man,
I am willing to let you out.
yes, sir, William.
But I'm going to tell you now, I'm putting a monitor so I know where you are. So I don't want you to take off again.
Okay, okay, no problem. I can go for
So
that.
find a place that you have that,
Call William Chapman, that's all they do. Call William Chapman, sir.
well, I'm going to have Lori, I can't do it, but
Okay,
Lori
she
can do it.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to give it to you,
Thank you, sir.
chance, if you have a place to go to, but I'm not letting
Man,
you.
okay, thank you, sir.
Okay?
And now I can wait until, until I get my courtroom, we can take this to trial, these cases like that. Or we can sit there and put me on, I don't even want to monitor. I'll try that one. Okay, because I ain't got no reason to run from nothing. I ain't got no reason to hide from anything. I don't even like this lawyer. I don't even want her to represent me, sir. Because she's a terrible lawyer.
Her?
Yes.
She's amazing. What are you talking
She ain't
about?
not for me. She's trying to help y'all give me time.
If
she's
she
not-
didn't care, she would not have brought you out.
That's
Mr.
not
Addison.
true. She about money, sir. This whole system is the medical system, this system.
I'm not going to disagree with you there, but the bottom line is if you came back, we would let you out.
I know that. So why you think I wouldn't come back? That means I'll be totally free.
I've got 15 cases here that tell me why you don't come back.
Well, no, I'm saying we're dealing with now. We ain't dealing with the past. We're dealing with the here and the now, sir.
Look, let me ask you this. Just be nice to Lori. She's trying to help you out.
I don't want her as my lawyer. I want to file. Well, if we're going to do something today, perfect. But we're not. I don't want her as my lawyer. They beat me up in that jail, so damn, they killed me. Okay, no, they almost killed me. The detention officer did. Okay, you see my leg? I was walking when I was in jail. They damn broke my leg. See my head? Not everywhere. I mean, they won't even take me to the hospital one time.
There's an easy solution.
But
Don't pick up any more cases.
what do you mean by that? You're right about that.
Be good.
So you gonna let me go home?
If you got a place to go to, yes.
I do call William Chapman the third.
Try right now, but hold on.
Yeah.
Be nice to Lori.
Okay.
You promise? Okay. Lori, if you can reach out to Mr. Chapman, then we'll
He
see.
has a number
Okay.
or some more identifying information.
And then we have probably a ton of bonding paperwork here that's probably got it on one of these pages, and I can comb through it with you, you know?
I'll go and look
He
on.
works for the ambulance department.
We're gonna try to find your
He's
brother.
my payee, sir. I get a payee. He's my payee and I get Social Security, sir.
We're gonna find it for you, okay?
Amen. Thank you.
Come back.
Yes, sir. Because you remind me of God.
Lift your feet. Just no. Okay. Well, you want to walk? You want to try to walk?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll try to walk.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck, Miss Addison.
You talking to me? Oh, you said good luck? Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. I am, sir.
Be nice.
I want to start a ministry under you.